everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys something that I just bought online. So I bought this new Fujifilm Instax MIni Film printer, and so it's kind of like the old Polaroid camera if you guys have that one. So I'm sure you guys have one of these Instax print Polaroid cameras. They're really nice because when you take a photo, it pops up from here and then you get to save it as like a little souvenir. You can post it on your wall or you can give it to one of your friends. So I really love these Polaroid cameras. But the only problem is carrying it with you, or sometimes when they print out, the picture comes out really dark or too overexposed, and sometimes that can be a problem. Or sometimes the person that's taking the photo doesn't really know how to take the photo and something gets cropped out. So I ended up buying this new Fujifilm printer, and so I'm really excited to try it out today. So I'm going to do an unboxing here. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so once I opened it, there is like this charger that charges the printer. Hopefully it's already charged so that way it can start printing already. And then inside it comes with the manual and let's see. And so I bought a cute little pink color just like my old Polaroid. And so it looks like here is where you would put the charger. I believe so, yes. So here is where you would put the charger. Here is where it's going to print out the Polaroid picture. And here is where you will put the Polaroid pack inside. Alright, so let's see. So I guess it just turned itself on. So so these printers take the regular photo printer or photo paper that you'd use for your Fujifilm Instax camera. So I'm going to use a black one that I already have opened. So you are going to put inside the film. You're going to open it up here. And you're going to match the yellow with the yellow on here. So there is a yellow here. You're going to match it and put it inside. Alright, and then the black foam cover is going to pop right out like so. Alright, there you go. And so we're going to start printing. So we're going to turn it on. Okay, so you can see here it's turning on. So now you have to open the app and link it to your phone. You have to download this app. It's called the Instax MIni Link app. Alright. And so you have to connect to the device using Bluetooth. Okay, so make sure that the device is connected to the printer. So it looks like it's here, it is connected. Alright, so now we are going to we're going to pick a picture to print. It looks like my printer is at 5. I'm just going to go to my favorites. So I'm going to print out this picture with me and an elephant. And it looks like you can move it around. Let's see, you can add filters to it. There's auto. I think I'm just going to go with regular. You can also do some corrections, brightness, contrast, saturation, and let's see, what else can you do to this photo? Frame print, where you can add some stuff to your picture. What would be nice? I guess this would be kind of nice. Then go to my favorites. That's kind of cool there too. But I think today I'm just going to print out a regular. Oh, I guess you can look through the frames here. these are pretty cool. Hello. But I think I'm just gonna go with the regular one. Is there any way I can go back? Okay, maybe not. We have to go all the way back. Back, back to simple print. Okay, favorites. Trying to make it in the middle. Okay. Then you just press print. So should be printing, transferring. So should be printing, transferring. Ah, it's coming out. Alright, okay, so hopefully it turned out nice. The only reason why I decided to pick this picture was because I took a picture, Polaroid picture in Thailand, and it came out super dark, so I was really upset that it came out really dark and you couldn't see anything. So let's see, hopefully this one came out okay, fingers crossed. Oh, I see it's starting to look nice. It's developing. Okay, that's how it looks so far. It's okay, it's starting to develop even more. I'm actually really happy with the quality of this photo. Alright guys, so that's it. So if you guys really thought that you would like to purchase one of these, I will put it in the description link down below, and I'll put how much it costs, and I'll put links for where you can buy the film. This machine I bought was for about 80 bucks, and the film will range about from $8 to $12 online depending on where you buy. You can buy it from Amazon, you can buy it from eBay. So yeah, I'll put that in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Alright, thank you guys. Bye!